Welcome to What's New at AWS. Application Load Balancer has launched IPv6 only support for internet clients. With this new capability, now you have option to choose IPv4, IPv6 or both based on your use case. So if you do not need IPv4, then you can avoid $43.8 per year for each public IPv4 address. Let's quickly check this feature in action. For this demo, I have already created one application load balancer, and this load balancer is configured as Dualstack. So that means we have both IPv4 and IPv6 address for this load balancer, and you can see the DNS name here with A and quad A record. So that means this DNS name can be resolved to IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. And if we access this DNS name, basically it will provide one fixed response, which is nothing but one small HTML code successful. Let's copy this DNS name and paste this in this online dig tool. Click any, and we can see two IPv4 address against this DNS name and two IPv6 address for this DNS name. Let's go back to our load balancer. Click network mapping. Now, as you may scenario, we do not need IPv4 address for our use case. So there is no point in keeping it. We can save $43.8 per year for each public IPv4 address. And it's not only saving that cost, you're also contributing to the online community by not using or wasting IPv4 address. Let's click Edit IP Address Type. And we can see now we have three options. And the third option is the new, which says Dualstack without public IPv4. And this includes a public IPv6 address and private IPv4 and IPv6 addresses, and this is compatible with internet facing load balancer. So let's choose this one and click save. And here we can see now it is showing quad A record. So that means this DNS name will be resolved to IPv6 address only. So let's go back to that online dig tool and verify. Paste the DNS name, and there is no record for A. So that means there is no IPv4 address, but we have two IPv6 address. Let's quickly check whether this site is IPv6 ready or not. Can use this online website. This is handy tool. HTTP. Paste it and click run tests, and here we can see this IPv6 address. This is pass, and IPv6 connectivity, that is also pass. We can use another online tool to see what our load balancer is returning. So let's paste the DNS name, view, and we can see it is returning successful. That's it for today's update. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Until then, happily float on the cloud.